What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2022 Honda Civic. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the left-hand side, we see this dampening latch right here. What we're going to do is just kind of push that straight down, and then it's going to pop off of there. Now what we need to do is push in on both sides of the glove box, and as we do that, you see that stop right there. It allows that to come down and clear. Same thing over here, and if you have both your hands free, it's easier to do these both at the same time. But once you get that glove box to drop down, what we're going to do is pull it off, and it's just sitting on these hinges. So we'll start with this side, and again, if you have both your hands free, makes it a little bit easier. Once you get it off the hinges, you can just go ahead and set that down. Now let's take a closer look in here. So this item that says up on it, that's the access door to the cabin filter. And there's two clips, one on each side that you just need to push in. Push in on that clip. Over here, push in. And now we see our actual filter right here. And there's only about 600 miles on this car. This is the original factory filter, and it just doesn't need to be replaced yet. But when you put your new one in, make sure you're paying attention to the airflow. You want your airflow going down towards the floor of the vehicle. Once you have your new filter installed, you'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. We'll grab the access door, and on this one, you want that arrow going up as it says up. So get that access door snapped back into place. Then we need to put the glove box back into place. So what we're going to do is there's a hinge on either side that we're going to line up right here. It's that same thing on that side, even though we can't really see it. And you'll feel it kind of push on. After we get that back on the hinges, we're just going to push up until these stops clear. And then the final thing we need to do is come over here and reattach this dampening latch. So with that, you just kind of need to get it into place. You'll see there's a little bit of a hook on there, and then it'll just pull up and back into place like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.